Discover the real costs of kitchen renovations in Vancouver. Renovate smartly in 2026 by understanding key factors that impact your budget and design. Kitchen renovation costs overview. Costs vary widely depending on layout, materials, and customization level. Here's what to expect in Vancouver. 1. Standard renovations from $35,000 to $55,000. 2. Mid-range renovations from $55,000 to $80,000. 3. High-end renovations from $90,000 to $120,000 and beyond. Labor costs. Labor accounts for 35 to 45% of your budget, involving skilled trades like carpenters, electricians, and plumbers. Materials costs. Materials such as cabinetry, countertops, flooring, backsplash tile, and fixtures make up 40 to 50% of renovation costs. Planning, permits, and professional design help prevent costly delays, especially in condos and older Vancouver homes. Kitchen renovation timeline. Planning, demolition, rough plumbing and electrical, cabinetry, countertops, backsplash, flooring, appliance installation, and finishing over 6 to 10 weeks. Layout changes impact. Keeping plumbing and appliances in place controls costs. Moving sinks, gas lines, or walls adds complexity and expense. Avoid costly mistakes. Underestimating labor costs, overlooking installation expenses, and hiring uncoordinated contractors. Underestimating labor costs. Overlooking installation expenses. Summary. Proper planning, professional trades, and quality materials protect your home's value and ensure a successful renovation. Planning to renovate your kitchen? Contact Grand Renovations for expert guidance, transparent pricing, and professional execution in Greater Vancouver. www.grandrenovations.ca